Hi, my name is Steven, digital entrepreneur of OneCent. Many times I was asked a question, all the rewards that we get from OneCent, can it be cashed out or not? Today I would like to demonstrate, and this is my Visa card. It is a prepaid Visa card, yeah? So we can actually cash out our money from any ATM machine. Today I'm at the Kampong Baru Public Bank. Let's see whether I can, withdraw the money, yeah? Okay. So let's take a look. See, this is a real ATM machine, yeah? Okay, it's public bank owned machine. First, let me check my first. Okay, enter. Okay, first credit card account. Then check my balance first. And let me see whether I can withdraw. No balance, no withdraw. Yeah. Oh, okay, like 1,000 plus. Oh, let me try to withdraw 1,000. Let's see how. Yeah. Cash withdrawal. Okay. Yes. Okay. So withdraw 1,000. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear the sound of the machine? Okay. So chances okay lah. Okay, withdrawal accepted. Okay, let me take out the cash. Okay, not bad. So I guess this is the 1,000 which I withdraw from the ATM, and let's wait for my receipt also. Yes, I need the receipt. Okay, and this is the receipt. Yeah. Thank you, OneCent. You've given us a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.